If you are building or hosting a static website, two of the most popular platforms you will come across are Cloudflare Pages and Netlify. Both are designed to make deploying and managing websites incredibly simple, with features that handle builds, previews, and scaling automatically. But when you look closely, each platform takes a different approach. The choice often comes down to what matters more to your team: speed and control, or convenience and integrations. Let's break down how these two stack up to help you decide which one is the best static site hosting platform. Cloudflare Pages, on the other hand, leans more toward performance and scalability. It is part of the larger Cloudflare network, which spans hundreds of data centers across the world. That global edge network gives your site incredible speed, no matter where your visitors are. Cloudflare Pages also integrates deeply with the rest of the Cloudflare ecosystem, so you can easily add features like caching, security rules, and serverless edge functions through Cloudflare Workers. While the setup feels a bit more technical than Netlify's drag-and-drop simplicity, it gives you tighter control and better performance once configured. Cloudflare's approach is all about precision and scale. It is built for developers who want flexibility and enterprise-grade reliability. Netlify has long been the go-to choice for developers and small teams who want an easy, all-in-one workflow. You connect your code repository, set your build command, and Netlify takes care of everything from deployment to previews. It is a polished experience with a clean dashboard that makes managing multiple sites simple. You also get features like deploy previews for every branch, built-in forms, identity management, and serverless functions. It is a strong option if you want a single platform to handle both the front-end and basic back-end logic without extra tools. Netlify feels like a friendly creative space. It removes friction from the development process, so teams can move fast and focus on the site itself rather than the infrastructure behind it. In the end, both platforms excel at what they do. Netlify is the creative studio, simple, powerful, and polished. Cloudflare Pages is the performance powerhouse, fast, secure, and built for scale. Whichever you choose, you are getting a modern, reliable hosting platform that can take your static site from code to global in just a few clicks.